Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a website from your Bluehost hosting dashboard. Okay, as you can see here, I got a lot of website here. Okay, so if you want to delete one of those websites, I just want to delete like this one here. It is a temporary website. If you want to delete it, make sure you copy this URL, right click, you can open it. As you can see, it's not working. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna back here and I'm gonna click manage. From here on the corner here, you click and then you go to advanced and then you scroll down. From here, you can either delete the content only, delete the website, remove WordPress. Okay, so I'm gonna just click delete website. As you can see here, delete your website. That will include all content, backup, and database. So you need to make sure that you really want to delete your website. Okay, so I'm gonna also delete website. They're gonna ask you to paste the URL, which is this one here, and then you click delete. As you can see, it's been delete. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.